गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज की वीडियो में मैं आइल्स के रीडिंग एग्जाम के बारे में बात करने वाला हूँ। एक्चुअली दिस पार्ट ऑफ आइल्स एग्जाम इज रियली टफ एंड मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट एबल टू गेट अ गुड स्कोर. So when you are attempting different types of reading exams, there are mainly 4 strategies that you can utilize. तो आज की इस वीडियो में 4 different strategies के बारे में बात करूँगा. एंड ऐसा होता है अक्सर कि different strategies और different methodologies are working for different types of students. So I'll tell you these 4 different strategies and you can try to use these in your practice, and then you have to see which strategy is working for you, and then you can stick to that specific methodology in your IELTS exam. So the first and most important one is, many students use this as well. So in this strategy what you have to do is read the entire passage first, and then you have to look at the question and try to find their answers. So this is common and mostly used strategy. The second strategy is that first of all you have to look at all these questions. जब आप सारे क्वेश्चन को देख लेते हैं तो इससे ये होता है कि आपको आइडिया हो जाता है कि क्वेश्चन में क्या चीज़ पूछी जा रही है, एंड देन यू हैव टू लुक एट द पैसेज. So when you look at the passage and when you know like a specific thing was asked in the question, you have to clearly read that specific part and you have to find the answer. Again, I'll summarize strategy number 2. You have to look at the question and see whatever is being asked about, and then you have to look at the passage to find the answers, right? This was strategy number 2. The third strategy is you have to read only the first paragraph of the passage. So you have to closely read the first paragraph and try to find answers that are related to first paragraph. For example, आपने पहला पैराग्राफ पढ़ा. आइल्स में ये होता है कि जो भी क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो ऑर्डर्ड होते हैं. ऐसा होता है कि this follows in some of the questions. So some of the questions are ordered, right? So what you have to do is read the first paragraph. अपने first paragraph पढ़ के you have to look at the question. So try to answer any question that can be answered with the information that is present in the first paragraph. Once you have done that, you will move on to paragraph number 2 and try to answer questions that are from the paragraph number 2. इस strategy से ये होता है कि आपके mind में information काफ़ी mix up नहीं होती. When you read the entire passage 8 once, आपके mind में सारे questions के ideas mix up हो जाते हैं, and then you are not able to get the correct answer. So you can utilize the strategy number 3 when you like face this type of difficulty, when your ideas are getting mixed up in your mind and you're not able to find the correct answer for the specific question. Now fourth strategy is kind of different from all. So this strategy can be utilized when you are short of time in your IELTS exam. ये strategy इस तरह से काम करती है. You have to read the first complete paragraph of your passage, right? So you will read complete paragraph, and after that for paragraph number 2 you will read the first line and read the last line, and so on. You'll keep doing that for all the paragraph except the last paragraph. And for the last paragraph you have to read the complete paragraph again, right? So I'll sum it up. I'll say that read the first paragraph completely. After that read the first and last line of each following paragraph, and for the concluding paragraph you have to read the complete paragraph. Once you do that, you will get the idea of the entire passage. And you can utilize this strategy जब आपके पास एग्जाम में टाइम बहुत कम बच गया, then you can use it, because this strategy will give you idea of the entire paragraph and the entire passage, and then you can look for the answers to some of the questions. So as I mentioned earlier, different strategies can work for different students. So try to implement these different strategies when you are doing these practices, when you're doing IELTS reading practice, and try to see which one is working for you, and then you can stick with that. And I hope these strategies will help you. And if you have any questions and if you have any confusions, you can ask me and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you.